Save space at home by folding your shoe boxes. Let me show you how. Keep on watching. What's poppin', everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Dani, and if you love sneakers and streetwear like me, then this channel is for you. So make sure to subscribe. So now let's start with this video. 2, 3, let's go! For today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fold your Jordan and Nike shoe boxes. This is a great travel hack and also a space saver for your home. You might be wondering why naisip ko gawin itong video na to. It is because nung before yung quarantine, I made a TikTok page and I posted a video of my brother filming me folding my shoe boxes when we were traveling abroad. And that was my first ever viral video on TikTok. Yes! I will show it right here. Yes! Yes, if you've seen it on your For You page, yes, that is me. And I will also plug my TikTok pages na rin. Please follow me on TikTok. So let's start folding some shoe boxes. So first, all you need to do is put your shoe box on a flat surface. And then, open the shoe box. Get the tissue, fold it as well. Set it aside. We'll be starting with the side flaps right here. Pull it up and then down, other side as well. Flat it out. Then here on the sides, just open it like this. There. I'll place it on the side so you can see, and then flat it out as well. Next, this one, you also flat it out. Then let's go to the lid part. See here, you just need to pop this one out of the hook, like that, and then flat it out as well. It's that easy. We will fold this inside, like this. You can use a heavy item so that while you're folding this part, it can hold this part. Okay, from there, we will fold the sides first. Like this, and then we fold it. Like this. Over here. So there, as you can see, it is now flat. Before you put your clothes in your maleta, you can put this face down, like this. And then, dun ka na mag-start maglagay ng mga items mo on top. So, super space saver siya. So, there. So, now let's go to the next shoe box. A Jordan shoe box. So, like what I said earlier, fold the tissue first and set it aside. Once you set it aside, flap this sides out first. And then take this one off the sides and then flatten it out like this. Then next is the lid. Take it out from the hook slowly so you won't damage your shoebox. Right there. Okay, next is fold all of this inwards like this. Use a heavy item so it can hold this part. Next, we'll go to the lid part. Like that. Okay, next, we'll now fold it in. So there, you can also get the tissue and put it inside so you won't forget it. Like that. So there. That's the second box. So now next, we have this Nike Ambush shoebox. This is kind of tricky because hindi pa ganun yung open niya. It's pa-slide siya dito sa side. So let's see how we'll fold this shoebox. I'll take it out first. I will now fold the tissue. And once I fold the tissue, I will place it aside. Next, we will start with the base of the shoebox first. So let's go to the sides. It's actually easy to take out. Now the other side. Okay, next we will go with this part. Alright, then we will fold the insides like this. And then the sides. So there, I will not fold this because I don't want to damage the box na this part, but we have now flattened it out. I'll put this aside first. Next, we will fold this part, which is the tricky one. So let us see if we can do it. There, so I started taking out this first, and then let's go to this side and this side. All right, we managed to do that, and also this side. So now let's go to this bottom part. There, as you can see, there's an opening right here. Okay, I took it out as well. Over there, take it out. Now that everything is already out, we can now fold it like this. Damn! I won't fold this part na rin because I don't want to damage the box and force fold it. So there, I will put the base of the box that we got earlier like this. And then next, don't forget the tissue. Put it inside. So there, we have it. It is now ready to be stored in a small space, and it is also ready to be packed in a maleta. So it's that easy. So there, from bulky shoe boxes, we now have a space saver right here. Mas madali na siya i-store sa drawers, and madali na rin mag-pack sa maleta if you fold your shoe boxes. I'm sure there are other people who says na bakit kailangan mo padalhin yung shoebox, pwede mo naman iiwan. Shoebox lang yan, hindi mo na kailangan yan. Well, if you're a sneakerhead, no, Hunty. Because kung gaano namin kamahal ang sapatos, ganoon rin namin kamahal ang shoeboxes nila. Kasi ang sapatos tsaka yung shoebox niya, isa lang yan. Isa lang yan, guys.
That's right.
Kanya-kanya naman yan na opinion. And for me, personally, I like to keep the shoeboxes. The original shoeboxes. So there, I hope may natutunan kayo. I will now announce the giveaway winner from my last video. And the lucky subscriber who will win this Nike Cruise socks for my first ever giveaway is, drumroll please, Step Dela Cruz. Congratulations, Steph. Please message me to claim your prize. And to everyone who joined the giveaway, thank you so much. Don't worry, I will still have a lot of giveaways in the future. So don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'll post another video. Thank you so much, guys. Congratulations, Steph. And that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to say thank you also to UNFEIGNED for this dope-ass t-shirt. You can check out their Instagram right here. And if you have any more questions for me, feel free to comment them down below or message me on my socials at streetbydani on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this video below, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'll post another video. See you then, Dani.